Hi everyone, it's October 2022 and the fall have arrived. I am Vikrant and in this vlog we are gonna go to the north part of Minnesota near the Lake Superior to explore fall colors. So currently I'm in Minneapolis right now and we are gonna go to Duluth, and from there we are gonna go to even Lutsen, and it's like a 3.5 hour one-way drive. So let's roll. Alright people, so we have crossed Minneapolis. So on the way I picked like 4 of my friends, and we have another car which has like 5 people. So yeah. And we have just crossed Minneapolis. It's been like 5 minutes and we are stuck in a traffic jam. Weekends are usually like that because a lot of people want to go to Duluth and up north. So we currently took a short stop at Gooseberry State Park, and there's Gooseberry waterfall at this place. And the beauty about this place is like the fall colors are all around, as you can see behind me. So this is part of Gooseberry Falls and it is divided into two parts, upper fall and the lower fall. This is the upper fall, and behind that area is the lower fall somewhere down there. And as I was saying, that is behind over there is the main highway, which is MN61, and it's just right beside it. So after driving for approximately 2 hours, we have reached the Lutsen Mountains. So there was a sudden drop of temperature. So if you guys do plan to visit this area, just be mindful about the weather. Check it up before you come and be prepared like in terms of clothing. So one of the key things that makes Lutsen a tourist attraction is the gondola ride. So there's a gondola that takes you all the way from the Lutsen mountain and takes a round trip, and it costs about like $31. And the worst thing about that is that you, even if you do the purchase online, you have to redeem it at the box office or something, and then there's a long line, especially over the weekend when there is fall colors. We have been standing for half an hour and now we are getting to it. अरे मेरे को लगा पत्ते गिरेंगे अच्छा लगेगा।
गिर रहे हैं लेकिन आंखों से दिख रहे हैं और गिर रहा है।
हाँ So I'm back in Minneapolis now, super tired honestly, and I left around 7:38ish, and I came back around 2. So it has been a long drive, and also coming back to Minneapolis, this place is comparatively warmer. So one thing you need to keep in mind is consider Lake Superior or maybe any Great Lake for that matter as a sea, because they are huge. But to sum it up, it had been an amazing day for me, like going for a road trip with friends to see fall colors up the Lutsen Mountain, and the view was just spectacular. Like one side you have different fall colors, and then you have the shoreline of Lake Superior, and of course the gondola ride that just added a lot of value to the whole trip. So that's all for today's vlog. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have some suggestions for the future, feel free to post them in the comment section. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this in future, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for the notification. So yeah, signing off.